Hi, this is Sahil here. In today's lesson, you will model a bishop for the chess set. For the most part, the bishop is modeled the same way as the pawn, based on a profile shape and a Latin modifier. The difference is the cap that shows on the bishop's head. You will use a Boolean object to achieve that result. Let's begin our modeling. Click the front viewport to work on it. Go to the Views menu, View Background, and View Background dialog box will be appear. Click on the files, choose the image, click on Match Bitmap, log zoom pan, and click OK. As you can see, in the front viewport, our image is ready. Hit the G button to exit this grid. Zoom in a little bit to see the image clearly. Go to the shapes, then line. Be sure the initial type is set to the corner and the drag type too. Click in the middle of the picture. As you can see, our line is moving irregularly, making it in the same way. Hit the shift button and click on the next point. With the shift still pressed, click on the other side and now begin our modeling. Model something like this. Pan up a little bit. Make your modeling according to your picture. Maybe you have the different kind of picture than me. I'll get to the top one. And click on our beginning point. Then a spline close dialog box will be appear. Click on the yes to close this spline. Okay, now get exit to the line command. Zoom out and now we are going to begin to give the proper shape to our splines according to the picture. Click on the modify panel, click the vertex, and our vertex mode will be selected. Go to the select and move, or simply you can do this with the press W button on the keyboard. give him a shape. Now as we see in the picture, the corner is round. To make the corner round, pan down to the modifier panel, select the fillet button, come at the vertex button, you can see the cursor change to the plus sign. Click on the vertex and grab a little bit. Now this converted into the click the fillet button to exit the command. Now set him you can also see our filleted vertices are in a Bezier mold shapes. Now here is another round corner. Again choose the fillet command on the vertex and grab a little bit according to the picture. Come out to the fillet command, select the vertex and give him a proper shape. Now you can see as this corner is not much round, so we can right click and make him smooth. Right click and smooth this one too. Grab this one a bit down, smooth this, come to this and fillet him too a little bit. I'm sorry. Let's pull this a little bit more. Grab a little bit in this one. Now fillet this one too. Pull this out. Now you can adjust it by holding these handles. As you can see, by moving these handles, our shape is moving too. Pull him in. Give something a round shape to this one. Get out to the build command. Select these two and pull them out. Let something zoom in to see the image, to set these splines according to the image. It's looking like good. Okay, right click and smooth. There's one too. Pan up. Okay. There's this. Go to the fillet command. fillet this, come out to the fillet, select them, grab them out. As you can see, this is a little bit down, so we can grab this up a little bit more. Click on the line to come out from the vertices move. Come in the perspective view to see what we has modeled from this spline. As you are seeing in this spline, it's looking something a half of the model of bishop, so make him a complete bishop. Okay, in the main toolbar, click select tool, select the spline representing in the bishop's profile in any viewport. With the spline still selected, go to the modify panel. From the modifier list, choose Lathe. As you can see, it's looking like a solid cylinder. On the parameters rollout, click on the min button to align the group. Set the segments something about 32 and turn on the weld core option. Just make our model a little bit sharp. As you can see on the head, it's looking something holes. Click on the weld core to fill this. So our model is ready, but as we see in the picture, let's zoom a little bit more. As we are seeing in the picture, there is a top hole in the head, so we will have to make these two. Okay, go to the front viewport and zoom in a little bit to this hole, bishop's head. From the create menu, choose standard parameters. And then box. Now select the bishop, and on the creation menu, choose compound objects and click on the boolean. The bishop is now a boolean object, and the command panel automatically switches to the create panel, showing you the parameters of the newly converted object. On the big boolean rollout, click the operand B and then click the box in the viewport. Now click the box. Now we can see a hole in our model, same as the picture. So we had created a bishop character of chess set in the 3ds Max. When you perform a boolean operation, the first object selected, in this case of the bishop, is recognized as operand A, and the second object selected, in this case of the box, as operand B. You can then choose the type of operation to perform, whether it's union, intersection, or subtraction, and in the latter case, which operand to subtract from which. So in this lesson, you learn to remove geometry by cutting a hole in an object using Boolean operation. Thank you for watching this tutorial and bye.